Everyone, welcome back to Tech Wall, and today I'm going to review of the Realme 9. Means a review means the not confirmed but sure, like some specification features of this phone, which is Realme 9, and expected price can be 16,000 or 17,000 like that. Price rupees. This product has not been announced yet, and it's based on the unofficial preliminary specifications. So there is a bad thing also, and a good things also, but bad thing, only one thing is that it's only 64 GB of internal storage. Now for the good thing: super AMOLED display, 6 GB of RAM, and MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, 5000 mAh battery capacity with the fast charging compatibility, Android version 11 OS, and a 32 megapixel powerful selfie shooter. Great camera numbers on the rear face. Verdict means my verdict is that it's a steady performer with a 17,000 price. Like within 17,000 price, this is a really steady performer phone, equipped with a robust battery life and fast charging capabilities. The smartphone flaunts a Super AMOLED display and a 6 GB of RAM and powerful um, uh, camera options on both ends, promising seamless usage. However, the availability, the internal storage though expandable, but it is only 64 GB. That's a bad thing, or beware of. So that's only one thing that will like defeat the good things, maybe little. That this bad thing will demotivate people to not buy this phone like that. If they want more storage, then they will of course not buy this phone. That's for sure. So display and camera, this is having great camera accompanied by a robust battery setup. So Super AMOLED bezel-less punch hole layout on the front, 6.5-inch front screen of the display gets an aspect ratio of 20:9, a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels and 405 ppi pixel density. There is a 64 megapixel main shooter on the back side of the device, followed by an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, a 5 megapixel macro shooter, and another 2 megapixel depth shooting lens. Some of the back camera features are autofocus, LED flash, ISO control, HDMI, autoflash, digital zoom, touch to focus, and more. There's a 32 megapixel front camera which promises detailed self portraits, and there's a configuration battery which is loading of 6 GB of RAM and MediaTek Helio G95 chipset, an octa-core. The Cortex A76 and A55 also dual core, and hexa cores are also there, which gets placed within the smartphone. Moreover, Mali G76 MC4 GPU take care of the graphical requirements. It's 5000 mAh polymer type, a non-removable battery placed within the Realme 9 phone. It is also compatible with fast charging technologies. Now storage and connectivity. It's offering 64 GB of internal storage within the smartphones. It can extend up to 256 GB using a micro SD card as per the user's convenience. And the device is comfortable with the connectivity's functionality like Wi-Fi, GPS, AGPS, Bluetooth version 5.2, mobile hotspot, USB Type-C. Buyers can leverage Realme 9 to make calls to their near and dear ones using the 4G or LTE voice over um, LTE networks. And there's this particular storage for this one. The base variant may be 6 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. If you like the video, please subscribe, like, comment, share, and turn on notification, because if you turn on notification, you are gonna notified if it's a new video and share with your friends, relatives, family members who I know. And that's all. And this is Tech World signing off. Bye bye.